Quick video today. As you guys saw recently, I was troubleshooting some idle issues in my Camry. During that time, I bought this idle air control valve replacement from Amazon. It's really cheap, no name brand. Well, it turns out that it doesn't work. How can you test this before taking everything apart? Simply unplug your IAC connector. With the key in on, but without the engine running, plug this in. You should see this pin tool move really quickly. That's what it does on the OEM part. This one does not move at all. What ended up happening, I tried installing this and it did absolutely nothing. The idle was too low, probably because it was shut all the way. So whether you buy an aftermarket or OEM replacement, make sure to test this out before you install it. You have to disconnect the coolant lines, which is a pain. So you want to make sure this is working before you commit to the reinstall. Hope this helps someone today. See you all next time.